It's my birthday. What is happening, people? Welcome back to another video. I'm T2 Sugars, a Welsh graffiti artist, and today it's my birthday, and I want to do a little bit of a special video because it's my birthday. And let's go and have a look what we're going to be doing. So for this video, I want to do something a little bit special. I want to do like realistic balloons, but I don't want to just do any old balloons. I don't want to say my name or anything like that, or even happy birthday. So I just want to do the words like be kind in this type of lettering. So I've googled balloon letters and you come up with a load of different, colours and variations and things like that. So what I've done is I've scanned through the internet to have a look for the best ones I can find. So I've then cropped out each letter that I need, brought it into Photoshop, and then on a little bit of a pink background so I can see it all a little bit better, I've then got each letter for my be kind. And then I'm going to put this all together in a little bit of a painting. So yeah, that is the premise of this. I'm trying to paint realistic balloons for my birthday. And first thing I need to do is go tonight, I think it'll be. Yeah, tonight I'm going to go buffer the wall, and then a few nights in I'll paint it, and my actual birthday is on Sunday. And yeah, I'll get the video up for Sunday for my birthday. So yeah, let's take this to the location. So I'm at the spot. I've been here, I was here a couple of nights ago buffering the wall. Done a little bit of a funny little tag on it, coming soon 2027 and all that stuff. But obviously got the image off my computer now and onto my telephone, and be kind. So that's all photoshopped up now. I'm gonna need all the grey tones on this one, and yeah, this is gonna be a little cool little piece now when it's done. I just gotta watch the weather doesn't absolutely pee down on me. I'm gonna get set up now, and hopefully we can get it done today. So let's go. Yeah. Ha ha ha. Here we go. So yeah, this is the wall in question. There's me trying to be funny, coming soon 2027. So obviously I did this the other night. I was supposed to have painted it roughly sometime in the week, but it's Friday now, and I just want to get it done to make you guys a little video. And a little thing about the video, it will be coming out on my birthday. I will be 12 years old, as my wife tells me. So yeah, if you can all give me a birthday like and subscribe, and just drop me a little comment down below wishing me a happy birthday, that'd be much appreciated. So yeah, the letters that we're doing on here are quite complicated, as I've shown you in like beforehand. It's just trying to work out like what way spray paint goes. It's just using the reference as best I can to create the image. So first thing I need to do is just mark out the structure of the letter, and then break it down where the light and the dark is. So yeah, it should be a good little painting this one. So I have the letters marked out now, so you can barely see them, so I've done them in a real light grey. From staring at the letters for quite some time now whilst I was marking them out, first thing I need to do is I need to just pinpoint where the darkest areas are. So where there's like all the darkest areas, and I think as soon as you like kind of recognize where the dark shades are, I think it'll come together quite easily, right? So these ain't perfect to what my drawing is. I'm just gonna make bits up as I go along, but what I'm looking for is like where these tighter parts are on the balloon. They create like these like lines going in and out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to structure all of them individually. So where this like section here, there's like a lot of little lines, I'm just going to put in at the minute all the dark areas, and then hopefully that will give me some identification then for where all the light areas are and where all the mid-tones are. And what it looks like is there's a lot of like dark real close to real light. So that'll help me out when it's coming to paint it. Notifying like little bits like that helps in a long way. So yeah, I'm gonna pop you guys onto a time lapse, and then I'm gonna do the letter B. I'm gonna come back after I've done the letter B to let you know how I'm getting on, and if I'm struggling or if there's any things that I've picked up on. So yeah. Whew, right, got the B done. It's actually a lot easier when you think. As soon as you get the structure of the darker colour down and get the fill near enough in, it's pretty simple. I say pretty simple, but it is a little bit complicated. But as soon as you like looking at a reference picture, like I said, get the structure of the dark letters, the dark areas down, it comes out pretty well. So I'm going to move on to the E next, and then do like the drop shadow, and then I'm just going to do the kind along the bottom after that. But yeah, I'd say that took about 25 minutes to do. So yeah, hopefully that I'll get the rest of it done in time before the sun goes down. But yeah, I'm going to crack on and do the E next. Let's go. Wow, so nearly done. I'm just adding the last bit of highlights to the D, and then I will be all done. But I started this painting at about 4:30. 3 hours, you know, well spent really on a Friday night. And yeah, the last thing I need to do before I go is add the drop shadow. So I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to reveal this one, and hope you guys are enjoying watching me paint. I've had a lot of people stopping. Obviously, like I said, main road is there, so I get a lot of people coming down from up there, looking at the painting, and yeah, getting a lot of beep beeps and all the rest of it. So I'm guessing people are liking the painting. But just let me know what you think in the comments below. And yeah, I'm gonna finish up this now and show you what it looks like. So yeah, they're all done now, the birthday balloons. Had a little bit of unexpected visitors yesterday as I was putting in the drop shadow. Turned all my cameras off, packed it all away, added in the drop shadow, and then the old fuzz turned up, asking me do I have permission, which obviously I have, because I never tried to do any illegal pieces, because, you know, try to ask for permission first and you normally don't get any problems. But it was a little short officer, and he wanted to go. He wanted to, you know, tackle me. I don't know why, but we'll give him the impression that someone would be here for 4 hours to paint a mural and do it illegally is another thing. But yeah, it's what the police's impression of graffiti is. So I don't know whether he was just highly strung or needed to go home and get laid. But yeah, that is my mural. It is my birthday. So drop me a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.